you're standing on the edge of something incredible. A hidden waterfall, a bustling market, a mountain peak, and you pull out your phone. But will that footage really capture the moment? Will it make your friends back home feel like they're right there with you? Probably not. That's where this little guy comes in. We've traveled across the globe with the newest action cams to find the ones that are tough enough, light enough, and powerful enough to document your adventures. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro uses a big Type 1/1.3 format image sensor to produce crisp video in dim light that looks better than what you get from the GoPro Hero 13 Black. The Osmo's video resolution isn't as ambitious as the Hero 13's, but it still supports up to 4K 120 or 1080p 240, and it does better than any GoPro for stills with 40MP RAW DNG and JPG capture. We love its large, dual-touch screens, 2-hour battery life at 4K 60, and waterproofing for depths up to 59 feet. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is the most well-rounded action cam for the money, and especially appealing to content creators who already own or may want to use DJI's high-quality Mic 2 wireless audio system. It's also a top choice for those who value low-light recording. The front touch screen is handy for self-recording, and the camera's tough build quality means you don't have to worry about it breaking during rough and tumble use. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black may not be the latest from the action cam powerhouse, but we see it as the best value option in the company's current lineup. For $60 less than the newer Hero 13, you get video that's just as good, with excellent slow-motion options, 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240, plus 10-bit color in HDR, SDR, or flat profiles. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. Number 3. Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 is the best camera for dual-lens, 360-degree video at 8K resolution for a clear, detailed picture. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling, too, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X5. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is the best 360-degree camera for creators on a budget. Its dual lenses capture the entire world, and a smartphone editing app lets you creatively reframe the spherical video to draw attention to a subject. The X3 records at 5.7K resolution, so it holds up to reframing edits, and the camera also has a single-lens 4K capture mode for traditional 16:9 video. It's waterproof too, so you can use it for action scenes and take it as deep as 33 feet without worry. Number 5. Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is an action cam that supports swappable lenses, a unique capability for sure. When we tested a basic kit with a 4K main lens for 16:9 footage and a dual-lens 360 module for all-around recording, we appreciated the versatility and creative features. For higher quality recording, Insta360 offers Leica-branded modules for both single-lens and dual-lens recording, thus making the camera upgradable if you can't quite decide between a standard single-lens cam and a dual-lens 360 model. The Insta360 One RS might be the camera for you. It records pleasing 4K 60 video with stabilization and supports extra-wide 2.35:1 recording. The dual-lens module does 5.7K 30 and works with Insta360's excellent editing tools. And that's your toolkit to capture your next adventure, no matter where it takes you. Any one of these will turn your travels into unforgettable stories. If this video unlocks some inspiration for your next trip, please hit that like button. It tells us we're on the right track. Share this with your travel buddy who always volunteers to hold the camera. and to follow along on our own adventures and get more gear tips.